Hello, dear students. I welcome you in today's English class, where we are going to start the chapter The Proposal. And in the first video, we had done that Lomov had gone to Chubukov's house with the intention to propose his daughter for marriage. Let's continue where we left in the previous one. Awfully, very extremely, assistance, the action of helping someone. Tremendously excited and nervous, Lomov couldn't even speak properly to the extent that he was unable to get Chubukov's name right. He begs Chubukov's pardon for his clearly visible excitement. Lomov tells him that he is the only person who could help him in the situation, although he doesn't deserve it and has no right to ask for it. Chubukov, oh, don't go round and round it, darling. Spit it out. Well, go round and round, meaning not coming to the main point, speaking here and there. Spit it out, meaning speak out. Chubukov didn't understand what Lomov was referring to, and thus he told him to talk directly. Lomov, one moment, this very minute. The fact is, I have come to ask the hand of your daughter, Natalia Stefanova, in marriage. To seek the hand of a girl in marriage, meaning to propose. Lomov finally speaks up only to confess that he had come to ask for his daughter's hand in marriage. Chubukov joyfully, by Jove, Ivans Vasilevich, say it again, I didn't hear it all. By Jove, meaning by God. Chubukov couldn't believe what he just heard out of delight and thus asked Lomov to speak what he just said. Lomov, I have the honor to ask. As soon as Lomov continues to repeat his words, he is interrupted by Chubukov, who is very excited. Chubukov, interrupting, my dear fellow, I am so glad, I am so on. Yes, indeed, and all that sort of things. Embraces and kisses Lomov. I have been hoping for it for a long time. It's been my continual desire, sheds a tear. And I have always loved you, my angel, as if you were my own son. May God give you both His help and His love and so on. And so much hope. What I am behaving in this idiotic way for. I am off my balance with joy, absolutely off my balance. Oh, with my soul. I will go and call Natasha and all that. Desire, meaning a strong feeling of wanting to have something or wishing for something to happen. Idiotic, very stupid or silly. Extremely delighted, Chubukov expresses his cheerfulness and contentment. He felt sort of words or to express his high spirits. Overwhelmed on seeing his long due desire getting fulfilled, he kissed Lomov. He couldn't control but shed a tear. On hearing the news, he offered his blessing to both Lomov and his daughter, Natalia, before he realizes he had been behaving in a silly way. He then calls Natalia to break her great news. Lomov, greatly moved, honored Stefan Stefanovich, do you think I may count on her consent? Consent meaning agreement. Lomov asked Chubukov if Natalia will consent for this marriage. Chubukov, why, of course, my darling, and as if she won't consent, she is in love-edged, she is like a lovesick cat, and so on. Shalln't be long. Exit. Aged, meaning exclamation, expressing surprise, anger, or affirmation. Lovesick, meaning longing, yearning, or desiring. Chubukov expresses that there is no way Natalia won't consent because she is longing for his love. He then exists to call her and give the two a chance to talk privately. Lomov, it's cold. I am trembling all over, just as if I had got an examination before me. The great thing is, I must have my mind made up. If I give myself time to think, to hesitate, to talk a lot, to look for an ideal or for real love, then I will never get married. But scold. Natalia Stefanova is an excellent housekeeper, not bad looking, well educated. What more do I want? But I am getting a noise in my ears from excitement, drinks, and it's impossible for me not to marry. In the first place, I am already 35, a critical age, so to speak. In the second place, I ought to lead a quiet and regular life. I suffer from palpitations. I am excitable and always getting awfully upset. At this very moment, my lips are trembling and there's a twinge in my right eyebrow. But the very worst of all is the way I sleep. I no sooner get into bed and begin to go off when suddenly something in my left side gives a pull and I can feel it in my shoulder and head. I jump like a lunatic, walk about a bit and lie down again. But as soon as I begin to get off to sleep, there's another pull. And this may happen 20 times. Natalia Stefanova comes in, trembling, shaking or quivering, typically as a result of excitement, anxiety or fatality. Hesitate, meaning pause in decision before saying or doing something. Housekeeper, a person who manages a household. Palpitation, a noticeably rapid, strong or irregular heartbeat due to agitation, excitement or illness. Twinge, a sudden quick movement or feeling. Lunatic, a person who is mentally ill, not in technical use. Lomo feels nervous and shakes all over just like he has got an examination before him. He feels that it is in his favor, that he already has his mind made up because if he gave himself time to ponder upon it, his marriage would end up getting delayed or worse, being cancelled. He reassures himself that Natalia Stefanova would make a great partner, and as she is average looking, an excellent housekeeper and well educated. What else could one ask for? Still excited, he could feel some noises in his ears. He did not give himself the option of not marrying after he had reached the critical age of 35 because he wished to live a normal and ordinary life. He generally suffers from an abnormally high heart rate and gets upset easily. Even at the moment, his lips were trembling and his eyebrow twitching. Above all this, he does not sleep well. Whenever he sleeps, he feels a pull in the right side of his head and shoulder. Then he jumps, walks, and lies down. But as soon as he is to get off to sleep, he experiences another pull. This happens for around 20 times. Natalia, well, it's you. And Papa said, go there, a merchant come for his goods. How do you do, Ivan Vasilevich? Chubukov's daughter Natalia enters the scene only to see Ivan Vasilevich. To her surprise, her father had told her that some merchant was waiting to get his goods. Lomov, how do you do, honored Natalia Stefanova? Lomov asks about her well-being. Natalia, you must excuse my apron and negligee. There's our shilling piece for drying. Why haven't you been here for such a long time? Sit down. They seat themselves. Won't you have some lunch? Negligee, meaning from the nightgown. She apologizes for her apron and dress as they had been shelling peas for drying and asks him to be comfortable. She even offers him lunch. Lomov, no thank you. I have had some already. On being asked for lunch, Lomov tells her that he had already had his. Thank you.